Hello friends. How are you doing? After long time finally I am back with some recipes. Let's prepare today dhabha chole. First let's soak some chole overnight. Then boil them in pressure cooker. Take one whistle. Now drain it and keep aside until it drained completely. Now take a bowl. Pour the drained chole in bowl. Add ginger garlic paste. Add red chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Add garam masala powder. Add Szechuan sauce. Add chili sauce. Add dark soya sauce. Add salt in it. Add 1 egg in it. Mix the batter completely. Add rice flour in it. Add maida in it. Add corn flour in it. Sauté the batter finely. Now let it rest in refrigerator for around half an hour. After half an hour, take a pan, add oil in it. Add oil in pan to fry. Now add batter slowly in oil. Add one by one, not like this. How I did. It will stick to each other and will not taste good. Fry them on high flame. As soon as it is fried, remove the batter from oil. Keep aside in a plate. Now fry rest of the batter. Fry them on high flame. It's done. Garnish with coriander leaves. Serve with some lemon juice and onions. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram channel. Take care of yourself. Bye.